Hello YouTube, this is Utagamon. In this video I'm going to benchmark Lost Planet 2 on a single GTX 970 using the standalone benchmark utility. This is a digital recording at 60 frames per second, which takes place on an external device, so what you will see here will be pure performance. That's why I'm showing you Task Manager now to see that the system is idling. The system is a Core i5 2500 running at 4.8 GHz, 16 gigabytes of memory, and the graphics card is a GTX 970, a Gigabyte G1 model running at these frequencies, but it is boosting at 1.5. We will see that at the end of the video. I'm going to use the built-in benchmark as I said, so that's all I need. Let's take a quick look at the settings. I'm using 1080p resolution, 8x multi-sample anti-aliasing, and everything else at high. And I'm going to do both tests. I'm going to start with the test A.
Up ahead. Rendezvous with them. I'm making the drop. Stay on your guard. Break up into smaller groups. You'll have a visual on the jungle pirates before long. the generators. You better split up. Time is of the essence.
Okay, the first benchmark has ended. We see below the average frame rates of scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3, and the total average 144. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the second test, which is mostly CPU limited. And here we have an average of 92.8 frames per second. Quite nice. let's take a quick look at Task Manager. This is the first part of the demo, and this is the second. As we can see, the second part has a lot higher CPU activity, but test A also has quite a bit of CPU activity. Let's see all this stuff a bit clearer. This is the test A, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and this is the test B. We have quite good times in all of the benchmarks, very few spikes, although the frame rate was inconsistent. As we can see in test A, which is these three parts, the GPU usage was at maximum, and this is the test B, which is mostly a CPU benchmark. As you can see, the CPU temperature also rose during the test B. Again, here we see the CPU usage in a more complete manner, better illustrated of how the CPU load changes between tests A and B. 3.8, 3.9 giga, 3 gigabytes of RAM used, 1.5 gigahertz for the core clock, as I said before, and 900 megabytes for test A, 1100 for test B, 750 for for scene for the second scene of the first test, 750 for the third test of the first scene, and 850 for test B. Okay, that's it guys, thanks for watching.